Hey, welcome to the Quinault Rainforest. And Linda was thinking we'll show you the beautiful old fireplace first before we get started.
All right, good morning. I'm glad you're here to come along. The fireplace is gorgeous.
Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Here's a little panorama of the lodge. Like so many of them, Yellowstone and Rainier, they use big, beautiful beams of wood.
So here we are at Lake Quinault Lodge in the Quinault Rainforest, and this gives you an idea of how much it rains each year. Here, the average is actually 12 feet a year. To put that in perspective, Tacoma, it rains just a little over 1 foot a year. But here's the rain gauge. It's rained 7.5 feet here so far this year.
And the winter's just getting started.
Yes, right.
Wow. This whole area, the national park, is surrounded by the Quinault tribal nation lands, and one of the things that they were famous for were amazing canoes, both ocean-going and river travel. Known worldwide as some of the best canoe makers, and they still do for annual ceremonies. And here's an example of one that carried how much, Linda?
5,500 pounds.
5,500 pounds this canoe was able to carry. And that is Lake Quinault. We'll be hiking along it for a little while. Oh, look, there's a lot of what I guess are rose hips.
Check out this Sitka spruce. We are in an area that has the largest Sitka spruces anywhere in the world.
Wow. How tall do they get?
They can get up to 300 feet. That's recorded.
Wow. Here's an example of what's called a springboard hole. They'd stick a piece of lumber in there so they could stand on it while old loggers would saw down these large trees.
Here we are in the Pacific Temperate Rainforest, and by mass, it is one of the largest ecosystems on the planet. And the reason for that is the lack of fire here. So, pretty amazing little fact. And there's Joe somewhere back there. There he is.
It is really difficult for the video to capture just how enormous these trees are. Look what she found.
It's a big leaf maple. It has to be at least a foot across. Here. Yeah.
Lots of different kinds of moss all over the place.
Oh, the color in this is awesome.
There's mushroom. Hey, where Linda is holding is known as the bacon of the edible mushroom family. This is admirable bolete. And I think these are the edible chicken of the wood mushrooms we're seeing here. Hey, we're back. We're going to end it here so we can get on with our tailgate party of ravioli and steamed clams and Caesar salad and who knows what else.
This is a great day, really beautiful, lots of different specimens, and couldn't ask for a sunnier day in the rainforest. See you later.
Thanks for coming along. We'll see you on the next one.